Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the Kospet Prime versus Lemfo Lem9. As you can see, we have both of the watches here, and if you are not following our videos, we are going to show you some specifics about these devices, and then we are going to show you the software and the options that they have. After that, we're going to test some of the options that we can test here in these smartwatches, and in them we are going to talk about the good thing, for example, about the Kospet Prime, and then for the Lem9. So let's go ahead with Kospet first, see what we got, and then we have to see the Lem9 as well. As you can see, we have now here the Kospet Prime with 1.6 inch super large full touchscreen display. We have a very clear display in the Kospet Prime. We are using Android 7.1.1. We have 1260 mAh polymer battery, and we have a dual camera. We have the 2 megapixel front camera and the 8 megapixel side camera. We have 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of RAM in the Kospet Prime. We have also 9 different sports mode, GPS navigation, and we have other functions that we can see in this video. So as we know, we have the front camera. The Kospet Prime has a Face ID unlock that we will test in the future of this video. As we can see, the camera sits right here and it works really good. So let's go ahead and do some tests about these smartwatches, and then we come to a conclusion which one is better. We have here this beautiful 1.6 inch screen. As we said in the beginning, we can see the front 2 megapixel camera, 2 buttons in the side that serve for power it on and off, and some shortcuts. Also this beautiful watch face, as you can see right here, also same as the smartwatch, same as the Xiaomi Mi watch. We can change faces just by pressing it and holding it, and now we have different choices starting from Kospet faces and some faces that we downloaded. As you can see now here down, we have some activities or data for activities that we done while we are wearing the watch. Up we have the taskbar with some information about our watch. We have here time, date, day, percentage of battery, and we have the sign for Bluetooth and SIM card as well, and we have some shortcuts, as you can see right here, for do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and different stuff. Also we have cleaner and music control here in this page. In the left we have notifications, and in the right we have the menu. As you can see, the menu will start from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, Maps, Assistant, System Optimization, App Store, and Face Unlock in the end of the menu. Let's test some of the options of Kospet Prime. as we saw until now. Let's go to the menu, go up, we have fitness here. Outdoor running is the first one. Press go. We have a 3-second countdown, and as you can see we have the timer going. We have the kilometers, blood pressure measurements, burn calories, we have kilometer per hour, and we have minutes per kilometer in the bottom of the Kospet. As you can see, everything is going smoothly, and in this case we know that the Kospet sport mode works. So let's go ahead, test the heart rate now and see what we got from there. We have now here the heart rate. Press it and immediately it will start to measure my heart rate. And we have here the result. Honestly, this was a bit faster than the Xiaomi Mi watch. As you can see, the result is saved with date and time, also minutes and seconds. And that's a pretty good thing to know when you measured your heart rate the last time. So you can see these are working really good. We have one more option to test it, and that is the Face ID that we have here in Kospet. So let's go ahead and test it. Shut it first. Now we have here, and as you can see it says unlock successfully. Let's test that one more time. Swipe up and it recognized immediately my face that is right beside the camera. As you can see, now we have here the Lem9. As you know, the Lem9 supports 4G smartwatch SIM card. It has a system Android 7.1.1. It has a front camera 5 megapixel, as you can see right in the bottom of the Lem9. Also we have 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM. It has 1.39 inch AMOLED full rounded screen, dual interfaces, a good resolution. We have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, flight mode, GPS, and other stuff included in the software that we will see in a bit. Also supports iOS 11.0 and above, and Android 7.0 and above. We have different health monitoring and different sports. Also we have a battery 6000 mAh, and standby. With 4G mode it will last 2 days, and standby mode or bracelet mode will last 5 days. We have also different things included in the software, but for better view, let's go ahead and see what we got. As you can see in the first page, we have this live wallpaper, as we call in the phones we used to call them. We can change it just by pressing it and holding it. As you can see, we have different ones that we already download, or you can go and download more as you want. As you can see, now we have different one. In the left we have notifications, down we have some sports data, up we have the taskbar. As you can see, we have time, day, date, percentage of battery, Bluetooth, and SIM card logo. In the right taskbar we have some shortcuts. As you can see, we have brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. We have here cleaner, music control, and weather in the end. In the right side we have the menu, starting with context, phone, messages, settings, browser, calendar, camera, clock, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, map, operation guide, app store, assistant, YouTube, translator, and long standby. As you can see, we have quite a few options here in the Lem9. So let's go ahead, try some of them on and see what we got more from Lem9. Now we have the Lem9 in our hand. It looks good and it feels good. As you can see, it's a bit thick, but that's okay. It's the Lem9's theme is more sporty look. So now let's go ahead to the menu, see what we have here to test. The first thing is heart rate, as you can see right here, and now it's testing our heart rate, and we have immediately some results. That is really fast from Lemfo Lem9. And you can see the results are saved here with date. Let's go now to the fitness. Outdoor running is the first one. Press go. Immediately it will start the seconds, kilometers, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometer per hour, and minutes per kilometer, as you can see right here. And everything is working very good. We don't have any trouble at all. We have here weather and other things that we can see. Also we have YouTube that we can test. So let's go ahead, connect the watch with Wi-Fi and see what we got. So we've found here a non-copyright music, as you can see in the YouTube. We have here the YouTube open. Let's play it and see what we got from the Lem9. We have a good sound. It's not the biggest or the loudest that we heard, but it's okay for a smartwatch like Lem9. So as you can see, we have this squared shape. We can change it right here, make it round, but we lose some parts of the app, so it's better in these rounded screen smartwatches to keep the square display. So this is all that we can test here in the Lem9. So let's go ahead, bring the watch in here and talk about the good things and bad things that they have. So now that we have both of these devices here, we saw how they work, what they can do. We know everything about them, so we can talk about them right now. As you know, we have two cameras in the Kospet Prime, and we have one camera in Lem9. In Lem9 we have 5 megapixel. In Cuspid Prime we have 8 megapixel in the side and 2 megapixel in the front. or selfie camera. So we have also bigger screen in Kospet Prime with better resolution. And honestly, both of these devices are really good. The Lem9 has more sporty theme going with his style, instead of like Kospet, which you can wear every day with every clothes. You can wear every day as well the Lem9, but it looks more sporty. So that's basically it for today's video in Cuspid Prime versus Lemfo Lem9. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Also comment down below which one do you think is better and why. Let's have a discussion. Let's see what do you think, you guys, about these smartwatches. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.